Hello everyone, welcome to Nursing Arena. Myself Lakshmi, and now we were going to discuss some MCQs of community health nursing. Please like and share my videos and subscribe our channel. So let's start. Measles, also called Hansen disease, breakborn fever, rubella, and rubella. And here the correct answer is option C. Measles, also called rubella, and rubella is also known as German measles. All of the following are vector-borne diseases except plague, filariasis, hepatitis, and malaria. And here the correct answer is option C. Hepatitis is not a vector-borne disease because it is transmitted by fecal routes and parental route. HIV are not transmitted following type of contraceptive: hormonal method, oral contraceptive, condom, and copper T 380. And here the correct answer is option C, condom. Condom is the method of contraceptive and it prevents the transmission of HIV and other sexual transmitted infection or disease. Next question. Providing health education about the environmental, hygiene and community peoples is structural communication, social communication, formal communication, and therapeutic communication. And here the correct answer is option A. Providing health education about the environment hygiene to the community is called structural communication. Epidemiological traits include which of the following factor? Standardized rate, agent host environment, rates, ratio and proportion, and incidence, prevalence and trends of disease. And here the correct answer is option B. Agent, host and environment are epidemiological traits. A packet of oral pills Mala N contains 28 pills, 30 pills, 31 pills and 42 pills. And here the correct answer is option A. One packet of oral pills of Mala N contain 28 pills. Environmental barrier of communication is noise, deafness, loss of concentration and loss of attention. And here the correct answer is option A. Noise is the environmental barrier of communication. Deafness, loss of concentration and loss of attention are the personal barrier, not a environmental barrier. In which year reproductive health child concept begin in India? 1997, 1995, 1994 and 1999. And here the correct answer is option A, in 1997. The 7th April is celebrated as the day every year: Women's Day, Labor Day, World Health Day and World Tuberculosis Day. And here the correct answer is option C, The 7th April is celebrate as World Health Day, and the Women Day celebrate on 8 March, and the International Labour Day celebrate on 1 May, and the World Tuberculosis Day celebrate on 24 March. A goal to achieve health for all by 2000 AD through the approach of primary health care is given by World Health Organization, WHO, UNICEF, ALMA, ATA, and all of the above. And here the correct answer is option A, World Health Organization. DOTS program therapy is related to National Leprosy Control Program, National AIDS Control Program, National Tuberculosis Control Program, National Malaria Control Program. C. National Tuberculosis Control Program. DOTS therapy are given to prevent, to control, to treat the tuberculosis. Which is example of live vaccine? Tetanus, toxoid, sabine, hepatitis B, and measles. And here the correct answer is option D, measles. The example of live vaccines include measles, mumps, rubella, MMR, varicella, and BCG vaccine. Next. The infant mortality rate is assessed as by per 100 live birth, by per 1000 live birth, by per 1 lakh live birth, and none of the above. And here the correct answer is option B, by per 1000 live birth. NRHM, National Rural Health Mission, is mainly focused on A. Improve the health standard of poor women and children in urban area. B. Improve the health standard of poor women and children in rural area. And C. Improve the health standard of both urban and rural area. And D. The NRHM, National Rural Health Mission, is mainly focused on improve the health standard of poor women and children in rural area. So, which is the permanent method of family planning? Copper T, oral pills, use of condom, tubectomy and vasectomy. And here the correct answer is option D. Tubectomy and vasectomy are the permanent method of family planning, and the copper T, oral pills, and use of condom are temporary methods of family planning. Next. Which committee is also known as Health Survey and Development Committee? Srivastava Committee, Bhor Committee, Mukherjee Committee, and Mudaliar Committee. And here the correct answer is option B. The Bhor Committee is also known as Health Survey and Development Committee. Next question. Vaccination to be given after completion of 9 months of birth is OPV, MMR, DPT, and BCG vaccine. And here the correct answer is option B. MMR is given at the completion of 9 months of birth. Community Health Center or CHC cover the population of 50,000 to 60,000, 5,000 to 6,000, 15,000 to 18,000, and 1 lakh to 1,20,000 population. And here The correct answer is option D. CHC cover 1 lakh to 1,20,000 population. Next question. Tuberculosis is an foodborne disease, airborne disease, arthropod-borne disease, and waterborne disease. And here the correct answer is option B, airborne disease. Tuberculosis is an airborne disease because it is transmitted by one person to another person by droplet route through air. WHO ORS packed include following except sodium bicarbonate, sodium chloride, potassium chloride, and calcium carbonate. And the correct answer is option D, calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is not included in the ORS, which is not a direct mode of transmission of communicable disease. Vector-borne transmission, inoculation into skin, transplacental, and droplet infection. And here the correct answer is option A, vector-borne transmission. Vector-borne transmission is not a direct mode of transmission of communicable diseases. The full form of abbreviation ICDS is Indian Child Development Scheme, Internal Committee of Developmental Scheme, International Children's Development Scheme, and Integrated Child Development Services. And here the correct answer is option D. ICDS stand for Integrated Child Development Services. Community health nurse explained new diagnosed diabetes mellitus patient that the purpose of medication is to treat hypoglycemia, hyperglycemia, hyperbilirubinemia, and hypocalcemia. And the correct answer is option B, hyperglycemia. Hyperglycemia means increased glucose level in the blood, and the another name of hyperglycemia is diabetes mellitus. One of the following disease has been eradicated globally are declared by WHO: poliomyelitis, human monkey pox, pox virus, and smallpox. The correct answer is option D. Smallpox is eradicated from world by WHO in 1980. Cold chain is used in vaccination for good appearance, storage, patency and efficiency, and caring. And here the correct answer is option C. Cold chain is used in vaccination for patency and efficiency. Booster dose of DPT vaccine is given at 18 weeks, 12 months, 18 weeks, and 4 to 6 years, and every 4 months. Correct answer is option C. The booster dose of DPT vaccine is given at 18 months and 4 to 6 years. Next question. Anti-tuberculosis treatment is given for at least 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, and 8 months. And here the correct answer is option B, 6 months. Anti-tuberculosis treatment and Dose therapy is given for at least 6 months. Primary health care is meant for first level health care, rural health care, tertiary health care, and second level health care. And the correct answer is option A. Primary health care is meant for giving the first level health care to the community. The most important step in health education: community discussion, contact with doctor, knowledge of local needs, announcement by loudspeakers. And here the correct answer is option C. The most important step in health education to provide knowledge to the community regarding their health and health problems. Agency which has been supported the National Tuberculosis Control Program of India is IRCS, SIDA, DA, NIDA, UNICEF. The correct answer is option C. DANIDA. Danish International Development Agency has been supporting the National Tuberculosis Control Program of India. Thank you guys. Please like and share it.